Yes, YouTube, welcome back again. You know, the thing is with Bitcoin at the moment, we're missing volume. We're waiting for some critical levels. Bitcoin has always a target, right? And I think they're also waiting a little bit for FOMC tonight, right? Or New York time this morning. And actually I'm aiming on a dovish Fed, but we don't know, right? It's gambling, so be careful with trading today. If you entered a long position like 5 or 6 days ago, when you followed my video, my signal, then you should be safe for this kind of events. But if you want to trade and scalp on the lower time frames today, just be careful. Don't trade and wait. Usually after this Fed events, they manipulate the market. For example, if we are dovish and we see pumpage, then usually they dump the market to retrace the 786 and then fly up. So I think they're waiting a little bit, but I want to show you guys some critical levels, because if they start dumping, then we can aim for some entry levels where we can enter the market after manipulation. That's somewhere around after 10:30, between 10:30 and 11:30. So, but you have to check price action on the lower time frames to check when retail takes over, right? So as I said, let's go to the chart. So as you guys can see now, we're watching at BTC to USDT again, and Asia started dumping this morning, and they kept dumping. But the thing is, now we're on a critical level and on the daily time frame. We retraced the 786 on this candle, and actually you need to retrace this 786 to remain bullish, and we did actually. When you go to the lower time frames, then you can see that the 50-minute creates a sort of divvy, right? It's not really a divvy because this swing low closes higher than this swing high. So usually when you go to the lower time frames, then you can see that the divergence is respected. So you can see now that we have eagle lows and then rising RSI. So that's a respected divergence actually. On the lower time frames, you can expect a liquidity sweep after a divergence. So what you want to see actually, it's now midnight New York time. So in 2 hours London comes in. So there's a possibility that volume comes in, but the trick is that you want to catch the daily bottom, right? So I should wait actually to enter, and if you followed my previous video signal, then you're still in this long position, so there's no need to be afraid, right? So let's go to the daily again, because I want to show you guys some critical support levels. So I showed you one already, and this one we retraced. That's the 786. But there's also another one, right? And we retraced this one already. But there's a possibility that we retest it for the second time to come for sell side liquidity, right? So we have to check what's happening during FOMC tonight or this morning. So I should just wait and watch what's price action doing after this event, and wait for manipulation, and then just try to aim for, what I actually expect here is that they dump the price to come for sell side liquidity. That's a little bit what I think, but it's very difficult to say, especially with this new government in the USA. It's very difficult to predict what the outcome will be for this FOMC event. So what you can do actually is just wait for 81.9k, let's say 82k, because there's a lot of sell side liquidity, and there's a possibility that we retest this the 786 for the second time, right? You know, I'm still bullish on BTC. We keep retracing the 786, so we're still in a bullish order flow. And you know, when I'm not on YouTube, when I'm not active on YouTube, and you know, I don't post videos, I'm active on X. So if you want to stay updated about BTC, just follow me on X, because I'm very active there, and I post let's say daily updates. But also when I see something in the market, you know, I post it there immediately, so you stay updated. And don't forget that we have crazy discount on altcoins. For example, Ethereum, you know, I posted this also on X. Ethereum retraced the 786 on the weekly, I thought, and that's a very, very, very strong support level, as you can see. So this is actually, this is a monthly actually. No, it's the weekly. So we retraced this 786 on the weekly, but if you go to the lower time frames, for example, to the daily, then you can see that we have a bullish divergence on the daily. Very strong indication that you will see upside. You know, we're still making higher highs. Actually, Ethereum is also retracing the 786, so you can expect upside. You see this crazy wick, so that means that there's a lot of support and a lot of orders got filled. You know, for Ethereum is actually sky the limit. If you zoom this chart out, then you can see what I'm predicting actually for Ethereum. Let's say at least the 786 on the weekly. That's 34.87. You know, I thought it was somewhere around 93%. Yeah, 93%. Yeah, let's say 96%. So, you know, don't forget these altcoins, you know, they're in a crazy discount market now at the moment. You know, it's a very, very nice moment to enter. You know, for example, if you go to Doge, same situation. You know, we're on the weekly, we're retracing the 786 for Doge. So a nice candle closes above support, and if you go to the daily, then you can see also for Doge, it doesn't have a divergence really, but if you go to the lower time frames, then you can see that we have a bullish divergence on the 8 hour. You know, this support level holds nicely, so also a very nice opportunity to jump in for crazy gains actually. So I'm expecting Dogecoin to come at least first to 31 cents, and that's actually a gain of 88%, so let's say 90%. So crazy discount markets for altcoins, guys. So as that said, I'm a little bit tired today. It was a short night. Crazy price action for BTC, you know, mentally exhausting actually. But we're still retracing the 786, so we're still in bullish order flow. So don't be afraid. Just stay out of the market during FOMC. That's the message for today. Be careful with trading today. And you know, if there's something happening in the market, I'll keep you guys updated on X. So as that said, guys, I thank you all for watching. Quick update, you know, stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.